Materials required: wooden sticks, wool of red, cream, green, maroon and orange color. Scissors, adhesive, big bead. First, use adhesive to paste two wooden sticks together into a cross. Now, take some maroon colored wool. Using this wool, weave a crisscross at the center of the cross, like this, in a careful manner. Once the weaving is complete, tie the ends on the sticks. Repeat this process using a cream-colored wool and tie its ends. Let us now take some orange-colored wool. Cover a part of each of the sticks near the design with orange-colored wool like this. To give the door hanging a square shape, use a red-colored wool to weave a design on the outside of the orange covering. Taking a light green wool on the outermost side, weave it to complete the design. Now, make one big and two smaller pom-poms by wrapping wool around your fingers. Tie it at the center and carefully cut open both the sides. Paste these pom-poms on the sticks using adhesive at the 3 corners of the woven design. On the 4th corner, paste a folded maroon colored wool thread. Pass a bead through this wool thread. This way, your decorative door hanging is complete. You can use it as a beautiful door decoration.